Slider windows Meridian are a popular choice for homeowners in Meridian, Idaho, due to their sleek design and ease of use. These windows offer a modern look and are perfect for homes looking to maximize natural light. Slider windows Meridian, Idaho are available in various styles and materials, making them a versatile option for any home. Window installation is a crucial step in ensuring your home is energy efficient and secure. Meridian Window Installation Services provide expert solutions to fit any window style or size. Professional window contractors in Meridian ensure that your windows are installed correctly, providing long-lasting performance and energy savings. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Energy-efficient windows. Meridian are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. These windows are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. Custom window design allows homeowners in Meridian ID to create unique window solutions tailored to their specific needs. Whether you're looking for a particular style or need windows to fit an unusual space, custom window design. Meridian ID offers endless possibilities. This service ensures that your windows complement your home's architecture and personal style. Window replacement is a necessary upgrade for homes with outdated or damaged windows. Window replacement Meridian Idaho services provide high-quality options to improve your home's appearance and functionality. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Slider windows Meridian are a popular choice for homeowners in Meridian seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Double-pane windows. Meridian offers superior energy efficiency by trapping air between two layers of glass, reducing heat loss and noise pollution. These windows are ideal for homes in areas with extreme weather conditions. Vinyl windows are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Meridian ID. Vinyl windows Meridian ID are low maintenance and resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. They are available in various styles and colors, making them a versatile choice for any home. Window repair services in Meridian are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Window repair services. Meridian offers solutions for issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Home windows are a vital component of any residential property in Meridian, Idaho. Home windows. Meridian, Idaho come in various styles and materials, providing options for every homeowner's taste and budget. Choosing the right windows can enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Slider windows Meridian ID are designed to meet the needs of homeowners looking for style, functionality, and energy efficiency. Residential windows. Meridian ID offer a range of options, from traditional to contemporary designs, ensuring that every home can find the perfect fit. Window contractors in Meridian are skilled professionals who provide expert installation and repair services. Window contractors Meridian ensure that your windows are installed correctly and function optimally. Hiring a reputable contractor is crucial for achieving the best results and maximizing your investment.